Subscribe to my channel Moto Mentor and don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of Moto Mentor. My name is Shaki Sheikh. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and a small review of the Maisto Ducati 1199. So it's a die-cast product. I bought this like a week ago and I really wanted to make a small video about this. So we'll be doing an unboxing and we'll check out the kind of detailing which Maisto is providing with this small die-cast. I must say that it's a pretty well designed. It's the exact replica of the 1199. I was amazed to see when I did the unboxing. So without wasting any time, let me show you how beautiful this product is made for, what kind of detailing which you will get in this product, and the price which they are offering this. I bought this from Amazon like a week ago. I got it for like 600 bucks. The actual price of this is around 795, but I got it for 600 bucks. So if there is any offer going on right now, if you are a die-cast lover, if you love motorcycles, I must say that this is one product you must have. So without wasting any time, let's start the video and see how this Ducati Panigale 1199 looks like. So this is the Ducati 1199 Panigale made by Maisto, and I'm really impressed to see the kind of product Maisto is making. And this is the exact replica of this Ducati 1199 Panigale. So this is how the box looks like. The size is 1:12. It's not too big or not too small. Kafi proper size hai ye. So without wasting time, let's unbox this small die cast and let's have a look how the build quality is. Wow, this looks amazing. And it's pretty simple to open. And here we go. Man, this looks beautiful. Here you go. So this is how it looks like. If you want to check the size, you can see it, what size it is of. So exactly the size of my palm. And I must say that if you are a die-cast collector, or if you are planning to buy your first die-cast, this is the product you should go for. This is one of the most gorgeous looking bike built by Ducati. Even in reality, I have seen this bike. This bike will make you fall in love. Amazingly detailed. The engine cover, a golden, which matches with the upside down forks. Look at the disc pad. Look at the rubber. This is actually a synthetic rubber tire. Very nicely detailed with all those grips. Look at the fender, the indicator. It's made up of plastic and metal. So the fairing is made up of plastic and the tank is made up of metal. Amazingly detailed. Very well made by Maisto. Even the exhaust, and if you have a look from this side, the exhaust pipes looks amazing. Even the alloy wheel looks like it's made up of metal, though it is of plastic. I wish I could ride this bike. Amazingly done. And the best part is that it has a suspension. You see, yeah, it's pretty good. I like the red color of it, and this is the same official red color which Ducati uses. And if you actually keep this bike next to Ducati, you won't find a bit of difference, apart from that, this is a toy and that is a real bike. So this is the exact replica, not even an inch here and there. You can also move the handle. It does have mirror, and there is an indicator attached to it, though it is just for design purpose. It actually doesn't work. There's no light in it. Look at the disc brake. Look at the branding. It also has that Ducati. Let me just
focus it properly. Yeah, it also has the Ducati branding and the Italian flag on it. So if you are also planning to buy a diecast and if you're thinking of getting this model, I would recommend you to get this one. I would get a 5 out of 5 because it's in 600 rupees. What else you need? This can really be a good showpiece at your home. Nice. Alright guys, so that's all from my end. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends and family.